Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review about this AI website that can be used for creating professional AI content at scaling as never been before. So, the name of this website is called Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI revolutionary video generator designed to simplify and enhance the video creation process. So imagine being able to create videos from a plain text, turning script into engaging visual in a minute. It's a game changer, particularly for those who want to produce a captivating training videos or marketing materials without the need for actors, camera, or expensive editing. In essence, Synthesia AI is your one-stop shop for crafting professional AI videos, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your video creation journey. So no technical skills are required. It's as easy as typing out your script yourself. So that's something about this AI website. You don't have to be skilled before you can use this AI website, and this AI website can do most of the jobs for you. Generating a video using a text script, then you turn this into visual, which is super cool. Here are a couple of top benefits is not to gain using the Synthesia website for your for creating content. One of these is get access to effortless AI video generation, which help you create a professional video in a minute, simple by typing them into your script, and the Synthesia AI handles the rest, transforming your words into engaging visual. And also get access to multilingual video making, which help you reach a audience with ease. And Synthesia AI supports more than 65 languages, making it easy to create video in multiple languages. So if you want to make videos with a multiple language, you have nothing to worry about. This AI website, which is Synthesia, got you covered. You also get access to customizable templates, which help you get started quickly with a professional design template for various use cases, and from marketing to training to internal communication. Also gets access to seamless integration. So with the help of Synthesia AI, you get access to tools and workflows that streamline your videos creation process. And also this is cost-effective AI video production, so it saves time and money by eliminating the needs for actors, cameras, and complex editing software. So you have nothing to worry about. It's also accessible for video creation. No technical skills are required. Synthesia AI has an intuitive interface, making video creation accessible to everyone, and also enhance video communication platform. So it elevates your video communication with engaging personalized content at resonate with your audience. Also get access to dynamic presentation and how-to videos. If you want to make content videos on how to guide people to do a lot of things, or you want to transform boring PowerPoint presentation and create a captivating how-to videos that can keep your audience engaged, Synthesia AI website is the best for that. And also, so we're going to check through the wide range of features that you can get on this website. So Synthesia offer a repetitive set of features to streamline your videos creation process and elevating your quality of your content. So let's dive into physical tools. So start with the AI voice. You have access to AI voice, AI humans, and AI image with custom avatar with voice cloning and all products. So get access to all of these artists, which is very easy. Here you get access to AI voice generator. Simply pick if you want a female, a male, or any of the countries. Can simply get that. So leverage your next generate text to speech AI voiceover in more than 140 languages with Synthesia AI Studio. So get access to AI video generator, which can let you create engaging, beautiful videos for your brand without the cost of traditional studio time and a lot more like that. So get access to AI image You also get access to Synthesia and AI dubbing with AI translator. You can translate from multiple language. It's no fears, all of that is in your in your hands. So get access to custom AI avatar and a lot more. You also get access to speech to speech AI and image to video AI with AI audio translation and a lot more. So this is a very cool website to use, and let's check the pricing plan for the website. And here is the pricing plan. The pricing plan is subdivided into two. You can pay for a yearly subscription and a month subscription. And the yearly subscription comes with a 30% off of your total package. So let's start with the monthly plan. Here's a monthly plan. For personal use, pay nothing less than $29 per month. Then for the creators use, pay $59 with for the business unlimited, pay $99. And it comes with a wide range of tools that can be used for making stunning videos. And for the year subscription, it works both way, and that's it. And here you can compare all the plans together, starting from the free trial plan down to the personal to creator and business unlimited. Some features are now available for some certain plan. While in some certain plan, you get access to all the features. So you can just easily go to Synthesia.io and /pricing. You can simply compare the pricing plan with the website. It's no fear, and that's it. So here are the advantages of this website. It is very easy to use, the fast video creation, affordable, wide range of users, and also supports many languages. And here's the advantages. It's less customizable than traditional video production. So this time around it is not customizable. You have to strictly make it in the ways of AI. Then AI avatar may lack nonsense, and at the same time some features requires a learning curve, so just have to study the way those tools and features are specialized to work, and that's it. Find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section. I think this video, this website works best for you. Thank you.